YouTube. If you're wondering what I'm holding, this is from the guava juice box. So if you saw my guava juice opening box, the science lab one, this is the crystal item inside the box. Some of you people were wondering how would it look. So it didn't really come out how Guava juice said on his video. It came out to be just powder or globs or some stuff.
And you added the really hot water, almost boiling, like the instructions said. And we suspect that it's just made out of salt, because
Yep, it tastes salty.
it tastes really healthy, and it burns your skin a little if you have a cut.
I know. I got a cut on my finger and it stinks.
So guys, that's how it came out. Guava juice. The crystal doesn't work so well. If anybody else got this box and their crystal worked, let us know in the comments. Maybe we did something wrong. All we did was add the powder packet
Guava
and the
juice
really
said
hot water.
Hot boiling water.
Hot boiling water, stirred it up until it was like almost see-through, like nothing, and then that was it. And we let it sit for over 7 days because we thought nothing was happening, right?
So bye. Thank you. Bye.